What do we got here, Carson? What did we overnight from Japan today?
Overnight parts from Japan.
Should we reveal them, or should we just wait till they're on the car?
And leave them right like that.
Rohana wheels for the C63 RX5's. Very cool. Yes, the C63 is getting a new set of wheels and tires. They just came in the mail yesterday. Our guy at Bell Tire said to come into the shop ASAP to get them on, fitted, balanced, mounted, whatever. And that's what we're doing today. Carson's very excited because he has had stock rims on the car, stock everything set up for like 7 months, 6 months since he bought it. But this is his first real like big mod for the car. So he is very eager to get them on, and I think they look really cool. They're a brushed titanium finish, and they're a split 5-spoke like mine, but they're different. So it's really cool. They have a really aggressive style. On the way to Bell Tire right now. They're right there. Carson's behind me in the C63. So Bell Tire first. I need to get Carson because I don't know how long it's gonna take, and then gas for the Jeep Wrangler. Oh man, it's a beautiful day. It is a gorgeous day. 73 degrees, partly cloudy. I am super thrilled to see how this is gonna look. Oh, by the way, they are 19-inch. So 19 by 8.5 in the front and 19 by 9.5 in the rear. Hey, your car looks really slow, man. Goodbye. Clickbait, I just gapped the C63 in a Jeep. Might be the last time we'll ever see those wheels on the AMG. It does sound so much better than my car, I admit that. Just made it to Bell Tire, dropped off the precious cargo. They're gonna get balanced, mounted, fitted, whatever, all the tire terms. Yeah, definitely not. You didn't buy those extra on the website?
You didn't give me the option.
You should be fine with the ones you have. Oh, it's like a double box.
Yeah, box type of box.
That's a lot of cardboard, sir.
Oh.
So you hate turtles or what?
My car gets 8 miles a gallon. Of course I hate turtles.
Did he give you that knife to open it with?
Yeah.
Disclaimer. You just scratch your wheel, like ultimately. Another. Oh, you're probably gonna want this. It's like Christmas morning, kinda. Ugh. I look so cool doing that. All right, here's the deal. Apparently one of Carson's tires got damaged in shipping. So, the wheels are fine. They're all in here. He's pulling it around. He's got 1, 2, 3, and then 4 in the truck. But apparently one of the tires got damaged, so they're waiting on a new one, and it should be here today. So that's kind of what we're waiting on. Hope they can withstand some pothole impacts, because mine couldn't. Mine got doink. All right, ladies and gents, we dropped off the car. Carson had to go back to work, but this is about 2 hours later. They're finally done at Bell Tire, so I'm picking Carson up, and we're headed to go see the car. Like I said last time, I'm gonna get off my phone because driving with one hand is not very safe. I'll catch you when we're at Bell Tire to see the reveal. Dang, that does look good. Holy, how thin are these? Are these, they're 30s. 255 30 R19. Well, the wheels are on and they look really good. I like those a lot. For some reason, I thought the rears were 275 stock on that, but I guess they're only 255. Nice blinker, Carson. They look super clean. That brushed titanium is nice, like very nice. I wasn't sure how I was gonna feel about it because I like just blacking things out, but I think on the C63, it really gives it some contrast. A murdered out look would, yeah, be really cool, but that thing, holy cow, that looks really good now.